So this is my intruder. It's what I'm calling my weed that grew up in my coral bells. Anybody want to take a guess what this is? Can't tell a whole lot from it yet. Can't tell a lot about it right now. I thought it was maybe dill. I've only grown dill once, and it was in the Arrow Garden. And I'm pretty sure that it grew a very thin, spindly little body and leaned over, it fell over onto the ground and made a little elbow. I don't know if that was unique just to my dill plants because they were in an Arrow Garden, or if that's how they all do it. But recently I'm thinking this is not dill. Just from the things that I've grown, there are a couple of options that it could be. It could be basil, it could be dill, it could be a pepper. It could be lettuce, romaine lettuce. Those are the things, probably not a pepper, because I'm pretty, it's pretty easy to keep control of your pepper seeds. They're pretty big. Dill seeds are also, but the reason I say that is because I let my dill plant go to seed and just do whatever it wanted to do, and this is the soil that it was in. So there could be a dill seed that got into the soil and germinated. It's very, very likely. Should we take bets? Should we bet on what this is? So far, my best bet is dill, even though it doesn't look like dill to me. But I am a plant newbie, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, whatever it is, it's looking pretty healthy. And I plan on just letting it grow. So I will find out eventually. Anyway, if you want to take a guess what you think it is, leave it in the comments. And if you guess right, maybe you will win some kind of a prize. I don't know, we'll see about that.